Do you want a brighter smile without dropping hundreds of dollars at the dentist? We've all seen those expensive whitening kits, but you probably have everything you need for a purely white smile sitting in your kitchen right now or even in your lab. Today, I'm showing you 6 safe, easy, and super affordable ways to whiten your teeth at home. Making your own teeth whitening treatments at home can be done using common household ingredients like baking soda. You can use hydrogen peroxide. You can also use coconut oil. While these methods can help remove surface stains, they should be used cautiously to avoid damaging your tooth enamel. So here are the common DIY whitening recipes. The recipes or the methods that you can use to whiten your teeth at home, though many people despise them. Number 1, you can use baking soda and water paste. First of all, you have to mix about 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water to form a thick paste. How can you apply this? You apply the paste with a soft bristled toothbrush and brush gently for about 2 minutes. After that, you rinse your mouth thoroughly afterwards. How frequently can you do this? Use a few times per week. Number 2, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. The recipe for this: combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of 1.5% or 3% hydrogen peroxide to create a smooth paste. Application: brush gently with the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse well with water. Be careful not to swallow the paste because it can harm you. How frequently can we do this? Limit this to once or twice a week to prevent enamel erosion or gum irritation. Another method is hydrogen peroxide rinse. Here we dilute 3% hydrogen peroxide with equal parts water to make a 1.5% solution. Application: swish the solution in your mouth for about 1 minute before spitting it out and rinsing with plain water. Another method is coconut oil pulling. Use 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Application: swish the oil in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes, pushing and pulling it between your teeth. Spit the oil into a trash can. It can clog drains and rinse your mouth with water. How frequent can we do this? Or can you do this? This is safe to do daily as it does not contain acids that erode enamel. The other natural methods are with fruit enzymes. Number 1, can use strawberry and baking soda scrub. Here, mash 1 ripe strawberry and mix it with a small amount of baking soda. Application: apply the mixture to your teeth and leave it for about 5 minutes before rinsing and brushing as usual. But there's a caution here: use only once a week, as the malic acid in strawberries can damage enamel if overused. Fruit peels. Another natural method with fruit enzymes. Rub the inside of a banana, orange, or lemon peel gently on your teeth for about 2 minutes. But you have to take caution, and this is it. Rinse your mouth and brush your teeth afterwards to remove any residue acid. Those are the methods that you can use to whiten your teeth at home. Don't despise them as others do. Safety tips and precautions. Avoid overuse. Avoid overuse. I mean that the excessive use of abrasive substances like baking soda or acidic treatments can wear down enamel, making teeth appear more yellow by revealing the dentin underneath. Under precaution, consult a dentist. Before starting any at-home whitening routine, it's recommended to have a dental checkup to ensure you don't have underlying issues like cavities or cracks that could be irritated. Number 3, precaution: wait to brush. If you consume acidic foods or beverages, wait about 30 to 60 minutes before brushing to allow your enamel to reharden. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for coming, for visiting my YouTube channel. Let's grow together. Let's move the next step, the next level.